Choosing a domain registrar is a critical first step. GoDaddy is the largest domain registrar, offering a user-friendly interface and various options. Namecheap is another reliable registrar with competitive pricing and good customer support. Domain.com offers affordable domains and features like domain privacy protection. Once you have a domain, setting up the website involves several platforms. WordPress is an easy-to-use content management system, also known as a CMS, suitable for both beginners and professionals. Wix is a drag-and-drop website builder with pre-built templates and customizable options. Squarespace is another drag-and-drop builder known for stylish designs and e-commerce capabilities. The steps to build a website involve several phases. Firstly, you must register your domain by purchasing your domain name from a registrar. Secondly, choose a web hosting provider that offers reliable hosting and the necessary features for your website. Thirdly, install the CMS such as WordPress or another CMS on your web hosting account. Fourthly, create content by writing or gathering the text, images, and videos you want to display on your website. Fifthly, design the site by customizing the look and feel of your website using themes or page builders. Sixthly, install plugins to add additional functionality to your website for specific purposes, such as contact forms and social media integration. Seventhly, configure settings to adjust aspects of site performance, security, and other operational parameters. Eighthly, test the site to preview your website on different browsers and devices to ensure it works correctly. Ninthly, launch the website and publish your site to make it live and accessible to visitors. For those engaging in website DIY, here are some tips. Firstly, start small by focusing on creating a basic website with essential features. Secondly, use a website builder, as drag-and-drop builders simplify the process and eliminate the need for coding. Thirdly, find tutorials and resources and look for online tutorials, YouTube videos, and documentation to guide you through the process. Fourthly, don't be afraid to ask for help by joining online forums, connecting with other website creators, and consulting experts if needed. Fifthly, use plugins and templates and utilize pre-built components to save time and enhance functionality. Sixthly, optimize for mobile, ensuring your website displays well on smartphones and tablets. Finally, pay attention to security and implement security measures to protect your website from potential vulnerabilities.